Spice, give us some details of what went down with her and Rasta in Mexico.
Gonna be in Mexico, Cancun, Mexico. Don't know. Make
That's
sure.
That's where I took my boyfriend on his birthday in
Hold
Mexico.
on.
Let's talk about the Rasta.
And Romeich gets some medical attention from a Jamaican nurse that he met a couple months ago.
You see what you dropped my baby?
I bet you
wait, there's some stabbing in her. What wrong with them, man?
and joking.
Yo, man.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Daddy, stop the crying.
On this journey, Jaja go before me. On this journey, Jaja be my guide.
It will be okay, Daddy.
Really, I've given them my best and goodness from my heart, and all I said was yes, of which that day.
So people, that song is called Rose from the Grave and it's by the artist Prezenta. I'm going to get a full review at the end of this video. But people, let's talk about Romeich. So Romeich met this Jamaican nurse in Florida a couple months ago. I'm going to show her a short clip. Then me tell her what I go on. Can I meet her again today? I'm visit her.
Nurse, I come over my side. So nurse, me a coward, you know?
Come, put your head back.
Nurse, me a coward, you know?
Put your head back.
You know only time put my bed? Or me I go sleep?
Come let it touch something, boy.
So me can't stop my breath?
No, just breathe normally.
Why? People, watch your drama now. Alright, ready nurse, ready.
Put your head back.
Nurse, me not ready.
So that clip was from a few months ago when Romeich and DJ Blackboy went to go take a corona test in Florida. But today again now it looked like Romeich have some kind of allergic reaction, so he went back to the clinic and guess who him see? The same Jamaican nurse. So now I have the new clip there for sure now what go on to the nurse take care of him again. So here goes.
Don't do that.
People say the nurse already give me the corona test. She say man, me have to come back now for help out my life. But they are big foreign have big allergic reaction. They pray say I'm not allergic to seafood, because I know if I'm allergic to seafood might as well kill me and done.
Are you serious?
Me? Half of my life that.
No, you need to stop it.
So much blood I can draw?
Yeah.
You see if I'm allergic to something?
Yep.
Boy, nurse a joke hard. Why? Nurse, I tell you.
So silly. Yes, sir.
Nurse, your blood will come out a week.
Is that coming out weak?
Blood pretty like cherry syrup.
So silly. Ready?
You see what you dropped my baby?
I bet you
wait, there's some
stabbing
in her. What wrong with them, man?
and joking.
Yo, man.
Really great. I love it.
Them nurse, yeah. Nurse, I shut on nurse.
Yeah man, so big up the nurse one more time. And I hope say whatever it is with Romeich, hope say him good here now. You see me? When you know say when him not feel good, him still have to give the nurse little trouble. You see what I say? So big him up one more time. But people now we are gonna move on and talk about Spice. So Spice will give you some details of what happened with she and Rasta in Mexico.
Because
Get your passport ready, eh?
some people,
Make sure you get your passports
because
ready.
we are going all the way to the top.
Tell them exactly where this festival is going to
So
be.
it's gonna be in Mexico, Cancun, Mexico. Don't know. Make
That's
sure.
where I took my boyfriend on his birthday in
Hold
Mexico.
on.
Let's talk about the Rasta.
Let's get
We went
into
to Mexico on vacation right over there, and let me tell him, I'm go on with myself.
talk to him.
I sleep outside under the stars. Yeah, me do the things them over Mexico, nice, bad, and I can't wait to be back over there again. I'm go on with myself at Mexico. Yeah.
Spice are the definition of wait your turn until it's your time to shine. Because right now you are shining like the sun. In fact, you see these lights.
Yeah.
That's how you're shining. And your lights,
Right, like morning star.
your lights will continue to shine.
It can't out, it can't dim.
Never.
Also gotta work. Yeah.
Never.
I gotta turn on my light, and not turn it off. I like you. I like you. Everything about you. I like your blue shirt. I like your blue hat.
Thank everything black on.
Black on.
Black on to the world. So
yes, let's talk about it. Big up Grassy Noir, www.grassynoir.com. Yeah, faces and laces, baby.
Everything. And I also see the waist trainer them too.
Yeah, because I need one, my belly, but me I go on diet. You know what they have a dancer, them mash me up on stage because I couldn't go on my head. True, me get fat. Let me explain to you. True, put on some weight because in a COVID, me start eating enough and start cooking up for the Rasta. Yes, I'm going to get fat. But I'm going to take off this weight by September. When you see me over there, I'm going to be slim. Me go up on my head top, me go boom flick and go on with myself.
You see, I'm
good. Watch me and my dancer. Then when we reach over the Tyrian Cookie cannot come stand upside of me when we reach Mexico. You're crazy. Must be mad.
Tell you something. Number one, I want you to understand something. You're not fat. I don't want to hear that word.
Me just chubby a little bit.
You are blessed. You are blessed with chubby in all the right places.
Right.
You know, in our country we say jejeli, that's smooth. Jejeli. I want
jejeli.
Jejeli, that is smooth.
Smooth.
So you're just jejeli September.
Right.
Native Fest. Are you bringing the Rasta with you?
Most definitely. You never know what can happen. My battery's gonna die, but I definitely want them to know I'll be at Native Festival. Okay. And thank you so much for having me. Mad love. Mwah.
So once again, September 2nd, 4th, and September 5th. Spice is in the building.
Definitely.
Make sure you come out, buy your tickets, follow the Native Fest.
Most definitely. Mad love.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
Big up yourself, always. Native Festival, the Queen is going to be there.
Daddy, stop the crying.
On this journey, Jaja go before me. On this journey.
So people like me say me I go give that song a full review. The artist name Prezenta and the song name Rose from the Grave, and it feature him and his daughter Chacha.
I've given them my best and goodness from my heart, and all I said was yes, of which that they had asked. Now they wish.
People right away me I feel that song here, and it does amazing how much confidence in daughter have and how she do fear little part.
Steps off every part I walk, they tarnish my name and still weren't satisfied. Nailed I to the cross like what they did to Christ. Taken all they could while I was left to die. God preserve my life so I can testify. I rose from the grave where they buried me alive. In darkness and pain, now I can see the light.
I rose from the grave where they buried me alive. People, these are some powerful words the man just said. But I want to listen to that song here with understanding. I'm also have a voice note from that I'm going to play in a minute. So make we hear some more of the song.
Rose from the grave where they buried me alive. In darkness and pain, now I can see the light. Angels around me, I don't need to fight. I'm on.
And the song was recorded at Cutstone Studio and the rhythm was made by Bob Keys. So you can see me in the studio right now.
I think I'm weak if I should turn the other cheek. I've learned to walk away from the things that bother me. I need no war, now I'm only seeking peace. So cool and calm, just like the evening breeze. My ways and mistakes have brought me so much shame. Time is an healer, now you've seen the change. Use and refuse, now they got no more to gain. I've reason, oh yeah, I am not the same.
And people like me said earlier, I have a voice note from the artist. Him even explains the great minds think alike. Buju Banton did a song after him with the same kind of thing, like, you know, they buried me alive. So I'm going to play the voice note, I'm going to hear what the artist has said.
Dancehall IG, I want to tell you, say, this song here, Rose from the Grave, was released in 2019. Was getting a very great buzz on social media and shared all over the place, and lots of DJs linked me for the song, you know. I've seen DJ playing this song and literally crying real eye water. Seeing, yeah, I rose from the grave where they buried me alive. And I've seen Guju come out with a song last year called Buried Me Alive also. But this was before then still, because this was from 2019 around August them time. Yeah, for real man, so big up yourself.
And people, may I go leave the link to the song, so now tell me what you think about the song. Big up.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.